Hi. Most of you in my previous Dembele video was asking, how to find the auction link for a player. In this video I will show you, how you can get the auction link, and we will try to snipe Rafael Leão. First make sure, your FC Enhancer extension, or the mobile app, is up to date. The current latest version is 25.0.5.9. Now either go to SBC, or Squads. We need to search for concept version of the player you are looking to find the link for. I am using SBC, click on an empty slot, add player and then search for concept version of the card you are looking for. I am going to search for Rafael Leão. Since I already have him, it added the player for my club. If you don't have the player, the concept version will be added to the slot. Then select the player. In the right side panel, you will now have option to copy the deep link for the player. This link will directly take us to the search results of this card. Since my ping to the servers are bad, I am going to use FC25 VPS. You are free to use any VPS, or if you already have a better ping you can follow along without any VPS. If you are using FC25 VPS, you can use the clipboard option to paste the link into the VPS. We need to make few changes in the enhancer settings before opening the link. Go to Search Results Settings, and enable Auto Purchase Cheapest. Then scroll and go to High Risk Settings, and add a value for Auto Refresh. I am going to use 2 to 4. Now save the configuration and open the Rafael Leão link. Now we have set up the bot to auto-refresh the results every 2 to 4 seconds, and once any results pop up, it will try to buy the card. We just need to wait for someone to list the card. I was able to get one in the second search itself. But it might take longer for you. Just be patient and wait for someone to list the card. I already have a Rafael Leão, so I am going to list him back, someone else can use him. Make sure to revert the changes we have done in the enhancer settings. You have to disable Auto Purchase Cheapest in the search settings, and set Auto Refresh to 00 in high risk settings. If you are using FC25 VPS, make sure to end the session, to avoid losing the VPS credits. So, that's how you can find the link for any players you want using FC Enhancer, and use the bot to purchase the extinct cards.